Come on, Alex.
Come on.
You know you want to. Everyone's doing it. This is so much higher than I've ever jumped.
Sure, go ahead.
Yeah, then I'll just climb down.
I went to Lake Mead a long time ago when I was probably 10, and there was this guy who climbed up the cliff, and there was this guy that's sitting on the top for probably a half an hour.
Just like waiting to do it.
Waiting to do it, and then he walked back down, and we called him Crying Ryan. I don't even know if his name was Ryan, but he was definitely
You
crying.
didn't even know him?
No.
Just made up this bad nickname for him. That's great. What's your name?
Amy.
Amy? You can do it.
Alex, are you watching?
Oh, like a pro!